Water.
Okay, so we start now. Good afternoon, everyone.
I'm gonna take water. Bye.
Good afternoon,
Good
Good afternoon. How are you, everyone?
I am happy.
Fine, you're happy, you're great, you're good. That's good that everyone of you are happy, fine, and good. So, yeah, so we are going to start it now. Where are you going? Where? Where are you going, Picharat? You will go to town? Oh, okay. Take good care. Where is your mask? Why you don't have your mask? Okay, so what subject are we going to have for today?
Mathing.
It is
Mathing.
Okay.
English road.
Yeah, mathematics. So do you remember what we have studied yesterday? What topic we have yesterday? Remember that one. We have it in what we have in what we watch. If you remember, you know what is that? It's all about, you forgot it. What we have tackled yesterday. You cannot remember? About one, it's all about. You don't remember the video that you have watched yesterday. It's about
Pop.
blank and blank. It's about William and
Capacity.
oh, you don't remember. It's about volume and capacity. You forgot it, class. You forgot what we have studied yesterday. So here it's all about the volume and the capacity. That was what we have learned yesterday. Okay, so here we have the volume and the capacity, and we're pertaining to volume when it tells volume is the amount of liquid in a container. That is all about volume, is amount of liquid inside the container. But the capacity, what is capacity? Is the maximum volume of liquid container hold. So it pertains with the container hold, how much the container can hold of liquid. And volume is how many liquid can you put in the container. The same as like that. That is the volume and that is the capacity, the difference of volume and capacity. So here we can use, as you can see there. So here we can use many things around us to measure volume and capacity. So there's a lot of ways. If we, for example, we're not using the millimeters, liters, ounces, if we were not using that one, we have a lot of ways on how to measure the volume and capacity. So here, we can use teaspoons, tablespoons, or cups. So we can use that things. Teaspoon, tablespoon, or cups for measuring the volumes and capacity. These tools are the non-standard measuring tools. So you call that one non-standard measuring tools, meaning it's not liters, it's not millimeters, it's not ounces, but you call that one non-standard measuring tools. Again, what do you call that one? This kind of tools? What kind of tools are they? They are? What do you call, class? Non-standard
measuring tools.
Yeah, it is non-standard measuring tools. You can call that one, this one, this. You can call that one non-standard measuring tools. So they do not have the standard units, unlike if you will going to use the standard liters, milliliters, ounces. There is a standard measurement, but this one, teaspoon, tablespoon, cup, you don't have any standard measurement. You just only counted how many spoon or how many teaspoon are you going to put. So here, let's continue.
Sister, kiss me.
Yes. What was that? Who's that? Who tells excuse me? Who is that? What was it?
I don't know who is that.
Who was that? Tells excuse me.
Uh,
I'm gonna tell yes.
Anyone? Is there any problem? Is there any questions? Not me.
she came.
Okay, let's continue. So here, let's go to measuring volume using non-standard units. So how can we count? By using this non-standard measuring tools. So here, for example, the question there is, what is the volume of water in glass? So the question there, what is the volume? Equivalent, okay. Volume of water in the glass, meaning what is the equivalent of that water inside the glass? So here, the equivalent of this water is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 teaspoon. So 5 teaspoon, this one, this water is equivalent of 5 teaspoon. So here, pour the water from the glass onto the teaspoons. We get 5 teaspoonfuls of water. We say the volume of water in the glass is 5 teaspoons. So you can tell that one that the volume of water in the glass is 5 teaspoonfuls. Because as what I've said, you measured. For example, we are in school and we measured this water is equivalent of teaspoonfuls. So that is the example of one non-standard measuring tool. So another one. So it was asked here, what is the volume of water in the bowl? So you cannot see the water inside the bowl. You cannot see how many milliliters or how many liter or how many ounces is it. So what are you going to use? By non-standard measurement, you are going to use the tablespoon. So just scoop it. Just scoop, 1 scoop, it's there. 2 scoop, 3 scoop, 4 scoop, 5 scoop, and 6 scoop. So how many tablespoons are there all from inside of this bowl? It's about 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 tablespoons. So the volume of water in the bowl is 6 tablespoons. That's how can you do it, by measuring the non-standard measuring tools. Have you got it, class? Do you got it? Do you get it? How to get the volume of a thing? Do you get it? Okay, I will give you some example. Go to your kitchen and put water inside the glass and get a spoon and try to measure how many spoons the water that you put in the glass. Come on. I will give you an instruction. Just go to your kitchen. Go to your kitchen. Then get a glass of water. Get a glass of water and a spoon. Just do it in your sink so that you will not be getting wet there. Just scoop. Use your tablespoon. How many spoons are there? How many spoons you can pour it from the glass you have put in your glass? Anyone who can do it? Who among of you?
Which one? Which one?
I said go to the kitchen, get a little bit, a glass of water, a little bit of water only. Then get get a spoon, get a spoon, then measure how many spoons, how many tablespoons are there in your glass. Anyone? Because if we are in school, we will do this one. I will let you to do this one in activity. But it's because of you are not here, I want that some of you will do it in actual in your house. Anyone?
Here.
I don't have it. I don't have.
That's okay. Ranchida. Ranchida, can you remove your background so that we can easily see it? Okay, that one. It's too many. Oh, no. Okay. Just put the spoon. Do you have another glass there, Ranchida?
Oh man, I don't want to use many of my glass.
Or any bowl or anything that you can put while measuring the water. Let's watch Ranchida. She will do for you. Just watch it so that you know what is the volume by measuring non-standard measurement. So let's wait for Ranchida for a minute. She will do it for us.
Go another glass.
Okay. So just measure how many spoons you can get from that glass.
Wait, well, I have only one spoon.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. We can use that one. You can use that one. We say that this is a spoon. Tablespoon. Okay. Just count how many water you can get to that glass. Okay, start now. Just look at Ranchida. Ranchida, you can use like this so that you will not be wet. You can do like this.
Yeah.
Oh, you cannot see my camera is closed, sorry. You can scoop like this. Do like this so that you will not be getting wet.
Wait, what? I'm gonna I just see you. Wait. I'm gonna find you.
I am here now.
Okay.
You can do like this. You can scoop your spoon like this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nah.
Just look at Ranchida. Just look at Ranchida. How will she do it? Ranchida, you can put down the camera. You can put down so that we can see.
กล้องลงเพื่อนเอากล้องลง
Oh, chihuahuas.
Be careful, be careful.
It is ready.
1.
I'm gonna eat it now.
Oh, you will drink it?
Yeah.
Just count it. How many?
It's
How
a
many
drinking
spoonfuls?
water. It's a drinking water.
Okay, it's a drinking water. Okay, just count it. How many spoons?
Okay, I'm gonna drink it now. One. I'm gonna drink it first.
Yeah. One.
One.
Count it, class.
Hello.
Two.
Two. Oh, so efficient.
So refreshing. Next.
Hello.
Okay, three.
Three.
Still have?
Three.
Yeah.
Okay, put it down. Put it.
Oh, Chihuahua is done.
Okay. Four. So there are how many? How many tablespoons are there in the glass of Ranchida? How many tablespoons?
3 tablespoons.
Okay.
Four.
Four.
3.
So the volume of water in the glass of Ranchida is how many?
Four.
4 tablespoon. Yeah, the same like that. You will going to do it the same like that. The volume of water in the glass of Ranchida is
Oh, I
4
have another one.
tablespoon. You got it now, class. How you will going to measure non-standard measurement? You know it already?
One.
You know it already, class?
I have another one.
Yeah, you can
Yes.
do it. So that's how easy. That's how easy you will going to do measuring the volume by your own selves by using tablespoons, spoons, or cap. So that's how easy it was. It's very easy although.
I just join.
Yeah, I
Think
know.
about it.
Okay, so let's continue. Thank you, Ranchida, for doing that one. Thank you so much. So let's go to the another one. So here, what is the volume in the jug? So the water inside the jug. Because if we will measure by a spoon this water, then it's too many. So what are we going to do to measure so that we can measure it fast? We are going to use the cap.
Bow.
Yeah, so what are you going to do? Instead of spoon, we are going to use cups. So fill up the cups with water from the jug. So here, from this water, you will going to fill up this one. Fill up it with full of water. You will going to fill up with full water again. And also this one, you are going to fill up with full water. And all of this, the equivalent of this is 3 what? 3 cup full of water. So I would like to ask you, what is the volume of water in the jug? What is the volume? What is the volume, class? For this one, for this jug, what is the volume of the water?
3.
It is?
3.
Yes, very good. 3. The volume of water in the jug is 3 cups. You need to put cups. Because we don't know, if you will not put the cups, we don't know if it is tablespoon or teaspoon or cups. That's why you need to put 3 cups. Do you understand it now, class? Do you understand it now? So that's how easy it is. How will you going to measure the by using non-standard measuring tools. So here we will continue measuring capacity unit using non-standard units. So we are going to measure the capacity. So here, listen. From this picture, what is the capacity of a small bottle? So here, what is the capacity of this small bottle? So first, what are you going to do? Fill in the bottle to the brim with liquid. So you are going to put a spoon of liquid inside. So then pour liquid from the bottle onto the teaspoon. We get, so just how can we measure? Okay, now lately here the volume we measure, right? We measure. Now it's different. We will going to put water inside the bottle. So what are you going to do? Until it will become full, because we are finding the capacity. So how many spoon it will going to put in there to make it full? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many tablespoons you put inside this bottle and it become full? How many it is?
18 teaspoon.
Yes, very good. It is 18 teaspoons. So you put inside, that is 18 teaspoons, to know if how many or how much is the capacity of the small bottle. So you need to put in. But this one, volume, we are looking for the volume. That's why we need to put outside. We need to count it. But this one, we need to fill it out full. So that's how can you easily find it out. If it is volume or capacity. Again, if it is volume, you need to pour it out, this one. But if it is capacity, you need to put in the bottle. Do you understand, class? Have you understand, class? Do you understand? Do you understand now the capacity and the volume? How will you going to measure? By using non-standard. Do you understand now? Why no one's talking? Meaning still you cannot understand? Who understand the lesson?
Me.
You? Who did not understand the lesson? Who among of you did not understand the lesson? Just tell me the truth. Who among of you did not understand the lesson? Does anyone? Who among of you? I will give you another example. Just listen, stop playing.
I understand.
Stop playing there so that you can understand. Okay, another example for this one. Example, what is the capacity? So you're looking at here, capacity of the small glass. So first, fill the glass to its brim with water. What are, because here, capacity, we're looking to capacity. Is it go outside or go inside? What are we going to use? Go outside or go inside for capacity? You forgot it. Capacity. Is it going inside or go outside?
Go inside.
Yes, go inside. Remember, go inside. It is go inside because if it is volume, as what I've said, if it is volume, for example, this is the glass. This is the glass. It is needed. You will count going outside. You will count it by pouring spoon. But this one for capacity, it is needed go inside to count the exact capacity of the glass. So let's count it now. So according to China chart, capacity, we count capacity by pouring or going inside, putting inside. So here, how many tablespoon you can put inside the glass to fill in with full water? So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many tablespoons are there to get the glass capacity? How many tablespoons? The capacity of glass is 12 tablespoons. You just count this one. 12 tablespoons of water to full. To fill this one, to make it full. Do you understand, class? Do you understand it now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Who did not understand? Who among of you did not understand? Okay. How about if measuring by cup? So this is another example. What is the capacity of bottle? So this bottle, we're looking for the capacity of this bottle. So first, fill the bottle to the brim by using fruit juice. So we are going to use fruit juices to fill it out, this one, fill up. So capacity, what are we going to use? Put in or put outside? What are we going to use? Put in or put out? For capacity, what are we going to do? Are we going to put in or put out?
Put in.
It is?
Put in.
Put in, yes, because it's capacity. We are going to put in so that we will know if how many, how many juices, cups of juices can it fill out this one? Okay, so how many? Fill up the cups with fruit juices from the bottle. So 1, 2, 3. So we get 3 cupfuls of fruit juices to fill out this bottle. So how many? What is the capacity of bottle? What is the capacity of bottle? What is the capacity of bottle, class? The capacity of bottle is 3 cups. Do you understand? The capacity of bottle is 3 cups. Remember that one. 3 cups. Okay, so we have the standard. This is the standard measurement in tablespoon and teaspoon. So 1 tablespoon equivalent. 1 tablespoon PBSP. Tablespoon is equivalent of 3 spoons. Do you know the big spoon? That is tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is equivalent to the 3 teaspoons. Teaspoon means the small spoon for coffee or for tea. That is teaspoon. But
Teaspoon.
yeah, tablespoon is the spoon that we are using when we eat. You got it, class?
Yeah.
What is teaspoon and what is tablespoon? So remember that one. Tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is equivalent of 3 teaspoons. So 3 spoons, then 1 cup. 1 cup of water is equivalent of 16 tablespoons. The spoon that you are using when you are eating. So 1 cup of water is equivalent of 16 tablespoons. You understand it? Okay, I will ask you now. How many tablespoons? Tablespoon. How many tablespoons are there in 1 cup? 1 cup. How many tablespoons?
1 tablespoon.
1 cup. 1 cup. How many tablespoons? 1 cup equals to, it was been there, 1 cup.
12.
Oh, 12? 16. It is 16 tablespoons. 1 cup is equivalent of 16 tablespoons. How about, how many teaspoons, small spoon, in 1 tablespoon? 1 tablespoon is equivalent of teaspoon. How many? Huh?
1.
It is
3.
3 teaspoons. Yes, 3 teaspoons. 1 tablespoon is equivalent of 3 spoons. How about if I will say 6 teaspoons? How many tablespoons?
Tablespoon.
Huh? 6 teaspoons, the small spoon. 6 is small spoon. How many big spoon is it?
1. 5.
No,
5.
it tells here 3 teaspoons, 1 tablespoon. How about if 6? This one is 6. How many tablespoons? If it is 6, it's very easy.
1.
No,
1.
6. This one is 3 only. This one is 3. So how about if this one becomes 6? How many tablespoons?
2 tablespoon.
Very good, Tanapat, is 2 tablespoons. Why 2 tablespoons? You need to, 6. I said 6, right? You need to divide by 3. 3 divided by 6, that is 2. 2 times 3, that is 6. You need just only to, again, you are confusing. One more. What if I will tell 9? 9 teaspoons. How many tablespoons?
9.
How many tablespoons?
9.
9 teaspoons.
9.
No, 9 teaspoons. How many tablespoons?
3.
How many?
3.
3. Why 3?
Oh.
Because 3 there. 1 tablespoon. If it is 1 tablespoon, 3. 3 teaspoons.
Yeah.
This one is 3 teaspoons, right? But I am asking 9 teaspoons. So this one become 9. So what are you going to do? You need to divide it by
3.
so 9 by 3, that is 3. You're confused?
3.
Okay, again, how about if 32 tablespoons?
Oh my God.
32 tablespoons, how many cup?
Wait.
32 tablespoons, how many cup? Oh, it's very easy. 32 tablespoons. How many cups?
8.
3.
Oh, no.
2 cups. 4. 7. 4.
No.
4.
No.
16.
No. Just look at it. Just look at it.
16, you mean 3 cups?
16 tablespoons. I gave you already 32 tablespoons.
Oh, two
Cup.
cups.
Huh?
2 cups. 2 cups.
Oh,
2
why
cups.
2 cups? Why 2 cups?
Divided by 2.
Divided by
2.
16. No, divide by 16. 16 divided by 32. That is 2. You're confused. You're confused. One more, last one, because it's already time. I gave you another example.
2.
Another example.
No.
Keep quiet. For example, 4 tablespoon. 4 tablespoon. How many teaspoon? Oh, it's very easy. 4 tablespoons. So how many teaspoons it is?
1.
Why 1?
1.5.
No?
Thằng Mèo. Thằng Mèo.
Who answered 12? Kritapat answered 12. How about the others? What is your answer?
12.
What is your answer? I said don't be confused.
12.
Oh, some of you answered 12 already. How did you do that one? Why 12?
12.
Why 12? Why 12?
Sorting by 4.
Why 12? I am asking why 12?
Yeah.
Oh, you just only copy Kritapat. Why? Or you just only copy the answer of Kritapat. Why your answer is 12? I want to hear. Why your answer is 12? You need to, it's there. 1 tablespoon. 4 tablespoon, right? I told you 4 tablespoon. How many? Here, 1 tablespoon is equivalent of 3. So you need to multiply 4 into 3. 3 times 4, that is 12. It's very easy, class.
I'm crying.
Okay. Because it's already time, we will continue it tomorrow. I will skip this one because you are confused of it. So I will not give you a homework for mathematics because still you are confused this one. We need to have an activity tomorrow. Okay? Don't be confused about it. Okay, we will going to have a break and come back at 2 o'clock. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody say thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye.
Bye.